Yes guys, welcome back again. Like I said, I'll give you guys some update as I go along. So today, this is a car I have. So there's a few little things I gotta do to it because I haven't really been driving it that much. So I noticed there was like an exhaust blow. So it was blowing. So the exhaust need fixing. So just gonna get it done. I have a few little tricks up my sleeve. There's some things I can do. I can do mechanical work. So these little small fixes I can do, no problem. So as you can see there was a little blow beside the flexi pipe. So on the down pipe coming down, there is a little section there that needs doing. So one of my brethren is welding it up. Found out there was a lot more than just a small little leak. Technically the whole catalytic converter at the bottom there was loads of cracks and stuff that needs welding up. So I got that welded up, get it back together. So I have to get all the heat shields and everything back off, put it back on. There, just all that. So get it back on. There was a little bracket as well that got broken off. So get that welded back on. I'll put it and everything back together, and then there'll be no more blows. So that'll be nice. So for someone who's getting it, they won't hear no rattly stuff or blowing noise and all that stuff. It'll be nice and easy. So just a little quick job. So there's the little bracket there that have to be welded back up. So yeah, so now all I gotta do now is just get it all cleaned up and get it ready to go. So it's not much left to go, and that's it. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll update you again another time. Peace.